Hi, another day, another surgery. So today, we have 3 cases. So 2 cases of breast augmentation and 1 case of Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. The first case of breast augmentation is revision breast augmentation. So I consider it revision kasi may injection, no? So it's silicone injected breast. So I'm going to remove some of the silicone injection, we drain it out, then we clean it, then we place the implant. No? So I always say na ang silicone injection is not okay. No? Meron akong post before na no to silicone injection. Ayaw natin ng silicone injection. So the next case is a virgin case of breast augmentation. So, madali lang po yun. So, you just dissect and we place the implant. And the third case is Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. So, alam na po natin yan. Alar lift, tip-plasty, then Gore-Tex for the bridge, and alar trimming. No? So, those are our cases for the day. Wala po ako. Nag-attend po ako ng convention ng Asian Society for Regenerative Medicine, yung mga stem cell. So that's it. Those are our cases for the day. Another day, another surgery. Another day, another watch. Submariner with date. No? Dati without date, ngayon with date na. Woo! Thank you. See you. Done with revision breast augmentation. So I was able to drain yung kanyang mga silicone injection, no? Papakita po namin yan sa aming video, yung mga silicone oil na natanggal then din-drain. So I placed 275cc na moderate plus profile implant para natural looking, no? So ayan po ang ating end result. Papakita po natin yan after 1 week. Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with the second case, breast augmentation. This is a virgin case. So, I placed 250cc of moderate plus implant under the muscle, so subpectoral, no? Kasi wala siya masyadong breast tissue. So we cannot place the implant above the muscle. So this is dual plane under the muscle, 250cc. So this is the result. I will see her after a week. Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. So I did the tip-plasty, the overhang correction or the alar lift. Then tip-plasty, I placed the cartilage. Then yung kanyang bridge, hindi masyado nating tinaasan kasi ayaw niya. Actually, ayaw niya ng Barbie nose. She's very specific. Ayaw ko po, Doc, ng Barbie nose. Kasi daw si Barbie is American o Caucasian, Asian lang siya. So, we just did a V-tip, no? Yung tamang-tama lang pong taas. Hindi masyadong mahaba tignan. So, that's the V-tip. Then, I also did an alar trimming. So, para hindi malapad, no? Kasi kanina medyo malapad yung kanyang alar base. So, ngayon po, okay na po. Very proportion po sa shape ng kanyang face. So that's it. Another day, another surgery.